How to recover deleted videos on Facebook page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook page on your device. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, click on your name. After you click on your name here in your profile, click on the three dots. Then click on archive in here. After you press on archive, if you have archived, you'll find it here, but if you deleted it, press on trash at the top. After you press on trash, you will find your deleted videos in here. You can simply click on it and press on recover at the bottom and your video will be recovered. This is how to recover deleted videos on Facebook page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.